Everyone talks about making money online, but here's the truth. Most people either overcomplicate it or they chase the wrong things. You don't need to hustle 16 hours a day or learn 10 different skills to win online. What you do need are the right strategies, systems, and tools that let you make money even while you sleep. So in this video, I'm going to break down 5 powerful strategies that can help you start creating real income streams online, and I'm going to show you exactly how to put them into practice. Strategy 1. Leverage AI for content creation, 1 to 3. The first strategy is using AI to scale content creation. Why? Because in today's world, content is the currency of attention. The more valuable content you create, the more people you reach, and the more money you can make. Tools like Jasper AI can write your blogs, emails, ads, or captions in minutes. And platforms like Okoya AI don't just schedule your posts across all your social channels, they even create visuals and captions, plus track analytics. Think about it. What used to take you 5 hours can now take 30 minutes. That means instead of posting once a week, you can post 5 to 7 times and dominate people's feeds without burning out. Strategy 2. Create digital products, 3 to 5. The second strategy is selling digital products. Ebooks, guides, online courses, or even templates. These are things you create once and they can sell over and over again with almost zero extra effort. Here's the kicker. A. I can help you make them faster. Jasper can draft your ebook chapters. Okoya can design your promotional content. Once you've got your product, platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even Shopify can sell it for you. This is true passive income. Set it up once and it works for you 24/7. Strategy 3. Affiliate marketing plus automation, 5 to 6:30. The third strategy is affiliate marketing. It's simple. You promote products you already use and love, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The secret? Don't manually grind out posts. Automate it. Use AI to write emails, captions, or even short TikTok scripts that promote your affiliate links. Then schedule everything with a tool like Okoya. That way your affiliate business runs on autopilot. Strategy 4. High-ticket services with AI assistance, 6:30 to 8. The fourth strategy is offering high-ticket services. Maybe you're a coach, consultant, or freelancer. The problem most service providers face is time. They're limited by how many clients they can handle. Here's how to fix it. Let AI handle the execution. If you're a social media manager, use AI to generate posts and reports faster. If you're a copywriter, use Jasper to draft client projects. You spend more time on strategy and client relationships and less on repetitive tasks. That's how you can raise your rates and scale your income without working yourself to death. Strategy 5. Build a personal brand, 8 to 9:30. And finally, the strategy that ties everything together, building a personal brand. Your brand is your most valuable long-term asset. When you consistently show up with content, people start to know, like, and trust you. And when that happens, monetization becomes easy. Sponsorships, collaborations, your own products, affiliate deals. The opportunities are endless. AI tools help you stay consistent so you don't burn out. And once you have an audience, every income stream we've talked about becomes 10 times easier. Closing, 9:30 to 10. So here's the big takeaway. Crazy money online doesn't come from working harder. It comes from working smarter. Use AI to scale your output, create digital products that sell on repeat, automate your affiliate marketing, raise your rates with high-ticket services, and build a personal brand that compounds over time. If you apply even one of these strategies, you'll be miles ahead of most people. Apply all 5? That's when you start building true freedom. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe, stay consistent, and let's build your online money machine together.